In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to Klarna app. First of all, what you have to do is launch upon Klarna application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Tap on it. Now, after you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. First of all, what you have to do is select the country that you live in. For that, tap on this field I live in. Now, you'll be able to find various countries over here. Select your main country of residence. Simply tap on that country. After you do that, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your phone number or email over here. Tap on the field of phone number or email. Now provide the phone number or email over here. Here I'm just going to enter my email. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number or email. Simply open your text messages or open your Gmail. Here I've opened the Gmail. Klarna has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the Klarna application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after you enter the code, you can see over here, you'll also need to verify your phone. So simply enter the code that is sent to your text message. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Klarna app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.